In this video, we will be learning how to run a distribution report. With the Totals window already open, click on Options at the top of the window. Find the distribution window in the list and click on it. This will bring up the RO Counter Ticket Distribution Report. You can see which ROs have posted and the ones that are ready to post. And, if needed, you can close the Ready to Post ROs from here. Or, if you want to, on the drop-down arrows for the columns, you have other options for different categories. And then you can print the report. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to run a distribution report.